Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the 2020 Ram 1500 headlight. Park on level ground, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and gather a T30 Torx, flat screwdriver, replacement bulb, and gloves. Work in a well-lit area and wear safety glasses. Remove the front wheel if necessary for access, or use the wheel well panel method to reach the headlight assembly with minimal effort. Use the wheel well panel or a small fender cover to expose fasteners and screws. Carefully remove clips and use the T30 Torx to free the headlight assembly. Pull the unit forward just enough to reach the bulb connector, then press the release tab and disconnect wiring. Inspect the housing for broken clips and clean the contact surfaces. Set the assembly on a padded surface to avoid scratches while you swap the bulb or LED module. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during roadside repairs and tools out moments, and it's easy to carry while working on your truck. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Confirm the correct bulb type for your 2020 Ram 1500 before installation, and avoid touching the glass with bare hands. Install the bulb into the socket securely, then reconnect the wiring harness and test the headlight operation. If the light works, realign the assembly, tighten T30 Torx screws, and reinstall any wheel well clips or bumper screws you removed. Double-check beam alignment and road legal aim before driving away to ensure safe nighttime visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.